Okay, alhamdulillah. Back to our topic. This is advanced indices 2. We are going to answer as many difficult indices questions as possible. Okay? So let's look at these questions. Yes? 8 times half the power x is equal to 1. Okay? So all of this, that means all of this will be equal to 1. Now if you look at this closely, you notice that this is multiplying this thing outside. So we must get rid of the 8. That's one way. Other way is say 8 is 2 to the power 2 in it. Sorry. 8 is 2 to the power 3 in it. 2 to the power 3 times half the power x, which is half is 2 to the power minus 1 in it. You multiply by x, 1x in it. So when you multiply, you add in it. Yes. So you're going to say 2 to the power x times 2 to the power minus x. This is 2 to the power 3 minus x. Who did that way? Who did that way? No one. So this is equal to 1. Okay? And 1 is 2 to the power 0. So basically, since the bases are the same, then we compare the indices. Yes? So 3 to minus x is equal to 1. 0 in it. So x is equal to 0. Do you get that? Do you guys get that? Do you guys get that? Okay. Now the other way, let's look at the other way of doing it. All right? You divide both sides by 8, yes? So half power x is equal to 1 over 8. In it? Yeah. So half is 2 to the power minus 1. X in it is equal to 8 is 1 over 8 is 2 to the power 3 in it. Yes. So it's 1 over 8 is 2 to the power minus 3 in it. Yes. So now this is the same thing as saying 2 to the power minus x is equal to 2 to the power minus 3. Ooh, then we miss something here. Yeah. We miss something here. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah. Because here it's not equal to 0. You move it. Yeah. X is equal to 3. Yes. Yeah. So we miss it here. So we move this over, that we leave this here in it. Yeah. Or this. Yeah. Okay. Now here we got this here now. So now, because the bases are the same, we now compare the indices, okay? So this means minus x is equal to minus 3. Now just cancel the minuses, yes? Or we move this here and move that there. So x is equal to 3. Do you all get that one?
I got it right, I did get it wrong.
Okay. Now, you have, that's what I'm putting this difficult one. This is called advanced indices. And this is very, very examinable area. All the topics we are doing are all examinable areas. So you can sort this out through that way. You can sort out through this way. Whatever you think suits you. Now look at the number 2. How many of you get that right? Now, 4 is dividing, same thing. You divide both sides by 4 in it. Yes. So we'll have 5n is equal to 125. That means 500 divided by 4 is 125. Now, since we have 5 of the bases, that's ring a bell in it. So that means we have to make also this to power 3. Therefore, n is equal to 3. You all got that one? Yeah. Okay. Now, let's take this one out as well. Now look at that one. Same thing. Since we have 2 here, that's ring a bell. And we look at the one, we know that this one is it can express in the power of 2 in it. We know half is 2 to the power minus 1 in it. Yes? All to x minus 2. Remember, don't forget your minus 1. It's not 1, it's minus 1.
Minus x.
So this is multiply everything here. This is 2 minus 1 outside minus x minus 2. Are we right?
Yeah.
No. This is not minus.
Yeah, not minus x, yeah.
Yeah. X minus 2 in it. Yeah, x minus 2 up there. So minus 1 is multiply everything into the inside the bracket in it. Okay? So basically 2 to the power minus x plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 5. The bases are the same. What do? We compare the top in it. Okay? Basically, 2 minus 5 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3.
Okay, okay.
Who get minus 3?
Ali got 3, I got minus 3.
Yeah, Ali is minus 3. Alima is minus 3, okay? Yeah. What do you guys think?
Easy.
Yes. Remember, this is advanced indices, so you must use your brain. You must use your gray matter. Now we are left with that one. Okay? 5x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 over 25 to the power x. Okay? We can even make this even more difficult. Okay? We can even make this even more difficult.
Oh, Dad, so then none of our answers will be right then?
Oh, none of the answers will be right.
Yeah, because
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, what was here?
X.
X was there in it. We put it back. Now, therefore, if we look at that, we look at 5, we look at that, it's ring bell in it.
Yeah.
1 over 25 is 5 to the power? 2, yes. So this is 5x minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power minus 2 times x in it. Because 1 over 5 square is 5 to the power minus 2. So we compare the indices now, yes? It's equal to minus 2x. Move this here, move it there in it. So x plus 2x is equal to 1. 3x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 over 3. You guys get it? No, no one got it. No one got it. So that means we have to do more and more examples. More and more examples. Okay? Let me look at, there is even more difficult example I saw here. Have we done this one? 4 to the power x minus 1 is equal to half to the power 1 minus 3x. And 9 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 1/3 all to the power 3x minus 1. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys can see this is not easy.
We have to make that introduction.
Look at this A-level question. A times 5 is equal to 150. Alima, that's A-level question, yes? A times 10 to the power, this is power n, into power n is equal to 600. Find A and n. Find A and n. Find A and n. We all know what, when we do algebra, we all know substitution in it. We all know substitution. Okay? I don't think you can do that one. Now let's look at this too. Okay? You guys should know that A 5n over A 10n is equal to 500 divided by 600, 150 divided by 600, yes? You can put it the other way also. A 10n to power n, a times 10 to power n, 5 to power n is equal to 600 over 150.
Yeah, that's what I said you would do.
Yes. So a can cancel a because there is multiplying it, isn't it? Yes.
5 and 10.
Yes.
5 and 10.
So therefore, this 10 to the power n over 5 to the power n is equal to 4. So you can go on. This is 2 times 5 to the power n, in it? Yeah. Yes. So you can go on and on. Okay. Let's look at that's. Remember, this is a GCSE Cambridge Advanced exam, so I don't expect them to give you something like that. Okay, look at that. Here, this is 2, a ring bell, yes, and this also can multiple of 2. So half, we cannot stop at the one same place. Half is 2 to the power minus 1, in it. Okay. To power what? Yes, this one is 2 to the power 2, in it, into x minus 1. I'm doing it quickly because we have gone through this over and over. Yes, I don't need to tell you why this 2 is multiplying everything, yes? Because 4 is 4 square, and this is the power of all that, in it. Yes. So that rings bell to you. Here, this will multiply every inside. 1 will multiply every inside here, in it? Because this is 2 to the power minus 1 into 1 minus 3x. This one is 2 to the power 2x minus 2, in it. So basically here it will be 2 to the power minus 1 plus 3x, in it. Yeah. So now we got everything. We compare the top. What do we do? Like times, isn't it? That's what we say in our math, isn't it? 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 1 plus 2. Minus x is equal to x, so it's 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So our x is equal to minus 1. How about this?
Yeah.
Now let's attack that one. Here, 1/3 is 3 to the power minus 1, in it, into 3x minus 1. This is 3 to the power 2, in it. 9 is 3 to the power 2, in it. Yes? Into x minus 2. If you guys don't understand it, tell me, I explain how I got these things, because I thought we have moved long enough, far enough for you to know how I got this thing out, yes? Because 9 is 3 to the power 2, in it. And this is mean the whole of that, in it. So we express only that into index form, in it. Yes. So basically this is multiply everything at the top. That's why I did that way. So this look like what we did before, okay? 2 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 3x plus 1. Because minus is multiply everything in the bracket, in it. Yes. So we get 2x minus 4 is equal to minus 3x plus 1. Okay, 2x plus 3x. I'm going fast because we have done all this before, okay? Yeah, so 5x is equal to 5. 5x is equal to 1. How many minutes? 1/3. 1 x to the power 1/3 square times x power minus 5 over 2. What do you guys think? Let's say if this is equal to 1000 Yes. 1000 to the power x minus 2. Here, this is 10 to the power what? 4 in it. Or 10 to the power 3, 4 in it, yeah. Yes, x squared in it. All of that 1/3 in it. 2x minus 2. Okay, this is 10 to the power 3. X to the power 2x minus 2. So remember, this is multiply everything here in it. Yes. So the powers 10 to the power 4 over 3 x to the power 2 over 3, yes, times x to the power 5 minus 5 over 2. You add in it. So 10 to the power 4 over 3, you add them in it. 2 over 3 minus 5 over 2. 6. 2 times 4 minus 15. That is 11 over 6. Minus 11 over 6. X to the power minus 11 over 6. Okay? So, this will be 10 to the power 4 over 3 divided by 10 to the power 3 x to the power minus 11 over 6 is equal to 10 to the power, x to the power 4x minus 4, 2x minus 4. Are you lost? Okay, no, I changed this thing. It's not this, okay? I changed it to make it look difficult, yeah? But actually it wasn't like that. It was not like that. I was trying to baffle you, but it was actually like this. I tried to put some spice there, okay? Okay, I tried to put some spice there. So actually it was like this, yeah? So this is 10 to the power 4 x, okay? This was 6, sorry. Power 1/3, yes? Is equal to x to the power, times 5 over 2. Okay? This is basically 10 to the power 4 over 3 times, 10x to the power 2 in it. Times x to the power minus 5 over 2. This is 10 to the power, what do you think? 4 over 3, and x to the power, you minus in it. Yes. So 2 minus 5 over 2 is the power half, minus half. Okay? So that's the answer. Even that one looked tricky in it. Yeah. But in the exam, you don't expect everything to be easy. You are expected to use what the principle you have learned and apply them. Where is the Cambridge one? The Cambridge book always brings you a lot of surprises. Okay? So this one, to be candid, this one is so easy. We have done something like that, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. 2 to the power 2x plus 2 is equal to 1 over 4. Okay. Those ones are very easy ones. Now, I don't know whether we have done this one. What do you think?
The first two look okay. one looks.
The last one looked a bit nasty. The last one looked a bit nasty, yes. And solve for x, give you your answers to 1 decimal place. I don't know what it means by this. Want there. Okay. Don't know what he want there. Because you can't expect that one in form of indices. You can't do that. I don't know what he wants here. But what we have been doing so far, and what we think could be a nasty one, will be even that one is, remember this is Cambridge International GCSE, okay? So you don't expect your GCSE, I don't think they will give you anything tougher than this. Okay? I don't think they will give you anything tougher. But for this one, we all recognize this one. Divide each side by 5 in it. So you'll have 2n is equal to 8, yes? 2n is equal to 2 to the power 3. Therefore, n is equal to 3. That one is so easy. The second one is so easy, in it. 2 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 4 to the power minus 1, in it. Yes? And 4 to the power 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 2 minus 1, in it. Yes? So x plus 2 is equal to minus 2, in it. Yes? X is equal to minus 2 minus 2.
Minus 2.
X is equal to minus 4. Huh?
Yeah, how is it minus 2?
How is minus 2? 2 times minus 1. Minus 1 was... Yeah, that's right, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to let you guys do that one. Let me see how you sweat.
You know when you went there?
Yeah, that's another topic. Yeah, so you guys need to do more and more examples, especially this area, advanced indices. Yeah, you have to do more examples. So you guys do this one by yourself. Yeah, I want you to sweat there. I've done these two, yes, so you sweat there. Okay? Assalamu alaikum. There are a lot of...